Now let's have a chat the Juma modular LED light bar or the Juma LED part. Floodlight white. Have you seen this one? Yeah. All aluminum housing. Yeah. And each Juma modular LED is made by 3 pieces of gray LED. Each gray LED is 10 watts. So this one is 30 watts. Let's have a try the Juma modular LED pot. Whether it's okay. That can light up or not. Perfect Juma pot. Yeah. Light pattern smells good. Floodlight pot. Thank you for watching the Juma modular LED pot. This one is floodlight. If you're interested, please buy now on our website. Thank you very much.